Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on our magnifier and how to set up a shortcut for it in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our magnifier function? We need to go to settings first, then in accessibility menu we have visibility enhancements, and here at the bottom we have magnifier. So to use a magnifier, we have to use a shortcut. So we have few options here. We can use a button press, or we can simply use our accessibility shortcut button that is at the bottom right corner of our phone. So when we access our shortcut, we have magnifier option here. Yes, while using up, and our magnifier is working, as you can see from there. And that's basically it. It won't be possible to use without a shortcut. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.